Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope that you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy. It is the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. If you want to make sure that you get notification, which is one email that YouTube sends to you, that I did just upload a video, all you have to do is press the bell that is beside that subscribe button, and that's what will happen. It's free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. All right, this is an exciting day for me because I started doing a little researching because it's that time of the year when a lot of the companies start coming out with these fantastic kits with great prices. So what I did was I went on Target.com to see if there was anything that they were showing, and I was able to get a kit that I think everybody's gonna love, and I wanna make sure that I share it with you guys. It was $14.99. It's not available yet in the stores, so I had to get it from .com, but it did come with free shipping 2-day delivery. So it was really exciting. So it came better than I thought it was gonna be. This box is humongous, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in here for, like I said, $15 with free freight. They're saying this has a value at over $54. It's a small little sticker that's up here that can definitely be peeled off to give as a gift or use for yourself. To me, these are all the colors that I absolutely love. It's every different kind of shade of nude, and it's called Dare to Go Almost Bare with this collection of 7 sophisticated blush lip shades, and to me they are all fantastic. So I just want to share that with you guys. We're going to open it up. It's got some information on the back which I'm going to share with you guys as well, with what the colors are, and it is a hard it's luxurious. I am so shocked that we were able to pick this up for, like I said, $15. It's to me a real find. The outside of the box is a harder box, so this is really a really nice gettable item. And it says on the bottom here that it is Target Beauty. Okay, so this was set up with these companies solely exclusive to Target. They have little stickers that are sealing it on all 4 corners so that we can open them up. And it came perfectly packaged with bubble, and it just, I was really impressed. So let's get this guy open. And like I said, so you have the top here, and then the items are here in a plastic, and then this is going to be a box that I'm going to be able to use for other things. And what I love is that it has this open window, and you'll be able to see whatever you put in here. So this might be a great box to keep a lot of your lippies on your counter yet covered. So I think that's a definite win. Okay, so let me pull this out and then we'll go through it one at a time. All right, so starting with the companies that have worked with Target on this actual box is Revlon, e.l.f., the Lip Bar, a company called Noyah. It's saying it's a natural lip gloss. The other one is NYX, Physicians Formula, and Covergirl. So these are all major brands. So we're gonna swatch everything as well as go by the card. I'm just gonna take it out of this just to make it a lot easier. This is really exciting. And they all look like full-size items. These are not sample sizes. Okay, so the first one that's on the back here is Revlon. And on the, it says it's Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. That's what it looks like up close. I'm gonna read to you what's on the box here, and then I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So it says this is the Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Seduction. Okay. And these are so my type of colors, which means I'm pretty sure they're everybody's, because who doesn't love nudes? All right, that's the first one here, and that's what it looks like in the tube. That's great. Okay, the next one that's on the back here is from e.l.f. And that's what it looks like here. And this one has a small little safety seal here that as soon as you open it, that just tears. So it's really, really nice. Okay, this one says it is a lip plumping gloss in Champagne Glam. Okay. And the names are also on the bottom here. Let's give this. Oh, it's really, really pretty. This can be worn on its own as well as a lip topper. And let me see where we put it there with the light. Do you see that? I'll try to move my hands so you guys can see it better. There you go. Just beautiful. Really impressed. Okay, the next one is from a company called the Lip Bar. And this is this beautiful packaging here. And I didn't even know this was available at Target, which is why I love when they do these type of packages, because it really introduces you to the lines that are now available. And this one says that it is in a liquid matte in Curlfriend. Let's see what color this is. Also should show you the wands. That's that there. This is a little bit deeper, perfect for fall, and that's the color there. But I cannot get over this packaging. Beautiful. Okay, the next one that we have is from this company called Noyah. They're saying it's a natural lip gloss in Sundressed. And this is this gorgeous packaging here. Look at this. Wow. And that's what the top looks like. And that's the bottom. Whoops. And that's a good flat wand, right? Do that right above it. This is pretty. This is so me. Okay. Which is that color right there? Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, another win. All right, the next item on the box says it's NYX. They're saying it's the Professional Makeup Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee is one of my favorites. If you have not tried these butter glosses, they're like anywhere between like $5 and $7. This one has that plastic seal on it. So let's just see if I can figure out where the opening is to make this easier. Okay. That's what it looks like there. And I'll do it right above the other one. So these butter glosses are really moisturizing on the lips, and they give you like a hint of color. And Creme Brulee is one that I have purchased in the past more than once. And that's the color there. Is that not gorgeous? And that's the color on the tube. And it tells you on the bottom what the color is. And like I said, this is the butter gloss from NYX. Another winner. Now the next one is from Physicians Formula. It is the Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick in All Natural Nude. That's what it looks like here. And you guys can also check, I do have a video up that I did on all of these. There's a kit that I got at CVS last Christmas that they reintroduced again this Christmas. It is an absolute winner. It also runs around the same price, and it is an absolute win. So if you want, double check down in my videos for the Physicians Formula lips, and you will see it. That to me is also a great gift. Okay, that one's here. And that's the wand, which is really nice. It has like a little hole in the middle, which helps gather more of the product. So you really only have to go in once to get the actual product out. And that's what it looks like there. Is this not beautiful? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and the last item is from Covergirl, and it's in the color Exhibitionist. And no, it says Exhibitionist is the name of this product, the way it is. And it's a cream lipstick, and the color is Sultry Sienna. And this also has a safety seal on it that I just got to figure out how to open. There we go. That's it here. And what's nice about this Covergirl product, the bottom actually is, you can see, let me see if I can get this to you guys the right way. It's in the number 250, Sultry Sienna, that's it there, and it tells you that it's cream, and the color is on the actual bottom, so it just makes it easier that if you're storing these, and I love that it's a square product so that it's easy to store in those little, you know, acrylic containers if you have those for your lipstick. And I love that the bottom has that color on it because it just makes it easier. And it is a bullet lipstick, and like it said, it's cream, which is what I prefer. And let's just do a, just stunning. If I was to pick a bunch of lipsticks for myself, this would be the colors. I should open this again. These would be the colors that I would choose for myself. So the fact that they put these all together in one kit for that price, I mean, a lipstick on its own, it runs anywhere at the drugstore between $7, $10, $12. So to get all this for $14.99, including the shipping and the presentation of the box, to me is an absolute, absolute win. So like I said, I wanted to share that with you guys. This is the container that the box comes in. It is, to me, the cutest thing with the lipstick. Like I said, to me, it is definitely a fantastic box. It doesn't feel inexpensive at all, and it will definitely be one that I will be using on my counter to keep some products in there. Just makes it a lot easier. So wanted to share that with you guys as soon as I find any great deals. I love to share that with you guys. I also think it's a great idea to make sure that you press the bell that is beside the subscribe button. So this way, whenever I have a deal or something that has time sensitivity, you'll be the first to know, because you'll get notified to click on an email that I have a new video that I just posted. So don't forget to subscribe. It's free. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. Nobody calls you, nobody writes to you unless you press that bell. And that's it. That's it. It's so easy. Okay, just wanted to share that quick with you guys. Hope you enjoy. I think we did great. Another winner, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.